Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1969 Camaro 396 SS that's made by Highway 61 in a 1/218 scale. But before we take a better look at it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your comments and likes below, and to click the bell for news. So let's go on. The first thing we notice about this car that's already been unboxed is this very nice metal flake brown color. This is a Camaro SS. It's got a 396 big block engine. The first thing we notice is the front grille that's made with a very high quality and a very high realism, as well as the headlights and the blinkers and the black spoiler right here underneath the car. And as we pop the hood open, we can see the engine, which is great. It's a very great looking engine. These air intakes, which are very realistic, are also made with a very high quality. So let's pop the hood open and take a better look at the engine. So we got the hood open. We consider the hinges are very realistic, as well as the engine bay and all engine components, hoses, wires and cables, and reservoirs, and horn, and radiator, factory stickers, and everything is really very well made. As we can see, this is a massive big block 396 engine that's been used in several GM cars such as Impalas and Chevrolets. It looks very nice in this Camaro. The antenna that moves up and down. It's a short course, but it does move. The SS stripes, as well as 396 engine emblem right here. It's a separate piece, actually. It's not a painting, just like this Camaro SS badge right here in the front fender. As we take a look at the interior, we can see the seat belts, the seats that adjust forward and backwards, that fold forward, the carpet. There are seat belts in front and rear seats. This automatic transmission handle that reminds of airplanes. It's being used in the Chevrolet as well. Glove compartment open lid, and sun visors, as well as black headliners, and the seat belts right here at the top for driver and passenger. Fake air intake. Hubcaps are very realistic and very well made. I like those wheels and tires as well. The rear, we can see the flat black rear panel with the SS badge and the trunk lock right here, and as we lift the trunk lid, we can see the very well made trunk with a spare tire and all components, as well as the tail lights, the inside of the tail lights, the coating against corrosion, the rubber gaskets around here, and the lock, factory stickers, hinges, tail lights. The bumpers have no cast markings, not really, just the bolts and rivets they're supposed to be. The license plate, which tilts down and reveals the gas cap, so I can show you here. You can see the gas cap. This is very well made, really. Dual exhaust. As we open the driver's door, we can see the dashboard, steering wheel, and all the other details we've seen before. Well, black interior is always a little bit harder to show because of color, really. Light sometimes doesn't help. And last but not least, the bottom of a car. We can see the drive shaft that turns around as we turn the rear wheels, the front wheels that steer with the steering wheel, the engine that looks very realistic with the oil filter and the tranny and the gas tank, and the mufflers, which are in the correct color and very well made. This car is a unibody, so all we have is a structure here and the unibody structure as a whole. So this is a very nice car to have in a Diecast muscle car collection. So I'd like to thank you for all views, comments, and likes. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes and comments below, and click the bell for news. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.